Barangay La Paz is a far-flung coastal area in the province of Guimaras. The barangay can be reached by a 15-minute bump boat ride, then a 2-hour ride by van and 15-minute ride by habal-habal. It is the last barangay in the south of Nueva Valencia. Barangay La Paz is divided into 8 sitios facing Silot Sea. It has a population of 2006 with 414 number of households.
Sa amon niya sa barangay Subong ang status is ang amon nga barangay sa bilugan ni Valencia, bali kami gidyang damo malnari sa kabataan, may number 1 kami ya. Ang inatungod siguro sa kakulangon man sa mga ginikanan tungod ang pangangabuyan di sang tao sa amon amo lang gid ang pangisda. Di ang mga nanay kay mga undergraduate man wala man sila sing mabulig para sa mga ilang nga bana agud maka-income man sila eh.
Ang causes gid sang malnutrition di sa La Paz, mga ginikanan kulang sa pagkanaman sa ila mga backyard gardening, mga vegetables. Ikaduha, mga bata kulang sa pagtindog dahil sa ginikanan hindi lang wabok na sinuyat dahil sa pagkaon. Ang ikatatlo, amo na nga kulang sila sa knowledge kung ano ang dapat nga lutoon nga insakto nga mabalance ang pagkaon sa bata. Hindi lang kay pakasugba lang isda, okay na.
The core group serves as a system facilitators of the team in implementing and sustaining the project. Each participating household built a vegetable garden as an additional source of nutritious food. Busog-Busog feeding program was conducted only twice a month to supplement the children's diet, and mothers of undernourished children were trained how to use and process malunggay powder in everyday life. Together with UP Visayas Bidani, mothers were taught on how to prepare a nutritious and affordable meal. Series of health education sessions were conducted to increase the knowledge of mothers in proper nutrition and other related topics. Health education materials in the form of calendars were distributed to reinforce the guidelines for proper nutrition among participating mothers.
0 to 71 months old children of La Paz improve their nutritional status. Of course, with the help of Mayor Juan Miguelitan, giving assistance, also the Barangay Council with Puno Barangay office. La Paz children or 0 to 71 months old children is not already number 1 in our Guimaras, but they rank already 20.